If you listen to really loud music through your earbuds, the loud sounds cause the tiny hair cells in your inner ear to vibrate excessively. Over time, this intense vibration can lead to the breakdown and death of these hair cells. Once damaged, these cells cannot regenerate, leading to permanent hearing loss. Additionally, prolonged exposure to loud noise can cause tinnitus, a constant ringing in the ears. If you listen to really loud music through your ear